then I'm gonna throw it in after. Yeah.
Oh, frick.
No! Yes! Yes!
Just a little bit.
Ooh, that's sharp. Once again, all pieces are gone. Completely missing.
Here, we're gonna have a contest.
Oh, here it is.
What?
Bet it's friggin' hot. That ain't too bad.
How that cut off circular? Oh. Whatever happened to those coffee can pieces though?
I don't know. What is this? Oh, this is a piece of wood that we shot.
I wanna see which one's better.
What are you gonna do with that one, Miles?
See how strong the plastic tube is.
Didn't we already do that?
We'll shoot something out of it. Is that the last glass bottle?
Oh no.
Let's not throw it at me or anyone else.
Throw it like into the water. Dude!
It's gonna build up pressure and explode.
Oh, it's screaming?
Yeah. Not retarded. Whoa, that's wicked.
Throw it into the woods so we don't friggin' step on
Look
it.
at that.
That's cool. Did it like bend?
It's all like, fuck you.
Oh shit, it's hot. Dude, it stinks.
What?
It stinks. Oh shit, that's hot.
Why would you walk back here without me? I ran away. I'm running away too.
You jam it on and I run away.
Get the fuck out of there!
Oh, dude, a piece of plastic went like right zooming by my head.
Hard it up in the ground.
Light it up.
Oh yeah, someone else light it.
Come on, Miles.
Or I'll light it and you can hold the camera, I don't care. Oh shit. Go, go, go! Yeah, you missed the...
We got baby bag on fire over here.
Dude, you missed it. I can't believe it. Here's two
Stop
more.
it out. It's got shit in it. Oh, I want to shoot it with like a bomb and see if it goes out.
It's not gonna go out.
I don't care enough.
It's too on fire. Are we gonna blow up that pipe yet?
We're working on it.
Oh. That's it then.
Ow, fuck.
We're done for bombs, aren't we?
Yeah. Hold it.
God, you suck.
Well, let's get more, I guess. You guys have to dig some money out.
I don't have any money, dude. I already showed you.
I don't know.
Flat broke.
I just got $107 chasing police.
Yeah, no kidding. Got us a friggin' ticket. Got him a ticket.
Got me.
Not our fault.
Fucking, yeah, it is.
No, it isn't. You didn't have your seatbelt on.
You're dumbass friends that I brought home anyways.
Still couldn't wear your seatbelt.
Fucking Germans. Where's the, oh, thanks.
Friggin' Nazis.
What
What are you looking for?
are we gonna put in here? At the end of it.
Here, I'll light it if you want to hold the camera.
Oh, I got a good idea.
Come on. Why you always want to light it, Nathan?
I don't care.
Such a bitch.
It's already recording, so.
Nathan's a bitch. You're gonna light it?
Yep. Is it a bomb?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Go, go. Get it, get it, get it.
Oh my god.
I stepped in that fucking puddle. These are just dirty.
I did that fucking.
Oh my god. Nice shoes, Miles. What a brown one.
First word to his mouth.
Yeah, he doesn't even care what happened. He's just like, I stepped in the fucking puddle.
Miles, reach it all the way over there.
Yeah, no kidding. You're wasting like the whole bottle trying to get it to work.
What are you doing, Miles? Wait.
Oh, dude, you almost hit him in the head.
Holy marijuana over here.
Alright, go.
You stick it in the ground and then you shoot out the wood part.
Yeah.
So you stick it in the ground and hold it there or shoot out the wood?
Get it?
Maybe?
No, no, no.
Oh!
Yeah. Here, Miles lighted or someone. Unless he wants to do it.
You clear?
Yo, Dick got the HIV. Yo, Dick.
Where'd that come from?
Is that a screamer or what?
Dick's like Gary Coleman. Yo, Dick looks like only 12 years old. It would go.
I don't know, but I blew my fucking face again.
Yeah, holy shit.
Was that the what?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Oh, it stayed there?
Split in half.
Dude, if you'd have
That
stayed
came
there.
from your hand.
No, it didn't. I swear.
That was the
No, I
stick. They
swear.
said it's like
Yes,
missing
it
half.
did.
No one didn't.
Yes, it did, dude.
Oh shit, maybe it did. Look at that. They blew out my face.
Dude, that was freaking awesome. I can't believe that wood came down. I was like,
took
oh
forever.
my. I know. It must have been up there
Hey,
ways.
it's snowing.
Oh, cool. That was freaking awesome, dude.
Oh, the last one too. I blew my face when this dropped it.
What?
Oh, we'll do it. I want to try the fire.
Holy shit.
How was that?
It's so short though.
Yeah.
Take your time.
Is it cold?
It's not cold enough.
No. His was like
Try to-
frosty. It was like frosty when you did it, man. That was bad.
Just spray it in there.
Clue!
Yeah.
It's not even
More.
It's a lot, dude.
That's it. Yeah.
Give her a shake.
Can you feel it building up pressure? Not yet.
Just bubbling.
Just don't.
Just let it sit for a while. It's going to surprise us a bit.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna shake because I ain't gonna be ready for it.
She's getting good.
Actually,
Just
someone should go over there.
yeah, don't go over there. Dude, you can get dry ice at Gallia and freezing when the dry ice box. He does? Yeah, and he one time in school, because he was like burning himself with. Is it? It's gonna go through.
It's gonna be loud too. I'm not gonna be ready for it.
2 liters are loud as hell.
Can't imagine. Oh,
Loud.
it worked.
It was like 30 going
The
up.
whole top bowl is out.
Still
Dude, look at it. It's like acid.
holy, look at that.
Too much yet. I don't want to touch that.
Yeah, I bet it is like acid.
I bet
too.
you
Don't breathe that in either. I bet you can touch it.
I think we put too much in.
It's hot, dude. It's like.
Is it?
Feel it.
Oh, it is warm.
I think we put too much in.
It's like
Oh,
boiling.
that was perfect.
I bet it's boiling.
But it's
It's actually hot, dude.
that was fun.
It's weird.
Looks like mud.
Shovel.
You can just throw it. Well, I guess it depends on.
Now you know how to make a worse bomb. You should throw one at the ground.
Look at